Hi, welcome back to the Healthy Habits Cooking Show. I'm Marsha Martin, your Healthy Habits Specialist here at Epic Charter Schools. And today I have, as a student host, Grant.
Hi.
And I have Kyle Perkins, who is an employee here at Epic. Can you tell us your title, what you do?
Yep, my title is a Managing Director of Talent.
Okay.
So my department kind of oversees the hiring process for all teachers, for admin, and just to make sure we've got enough teachers to serve our students.
Awesome. Okay, students like Grant here.
That's right.
Grant, tell us what grade are you in?
I'm in 6th grade.
6th grade. How long have you been in Epic?
This is my 4th year now.
4th year. Wow. So you love it?
Yes, I really like it.
Okay. So we're making egg white pancakes today, and I've never had these, so I'm really excited. This is Kyle's recipe.
Yes.
He's going to teach Grant and I.
Yep.
So tell us what we need to do.
All right, so first we have our egg whites. This key ingredient, we use egg whites, not a regular egg, because regular egg has more fat in it, which is higher calories. So trying to stick to mainly protein, we'll start with this. So first thing, you get your egg whites. We're going to put a half a cup in here. There we go. Okay, pour that in there. Next, and if I can get some assistance here, I'll have you put our oats in here. So we have our regular oats. These are carbs. It's good for energy, good to start your day with. So if you will pour a 1/3 cup into here.
Okay.
And so I'm actually running a 5K tomorrow morning,
There you
so
go.
I need
Yes.
some carbs today.
Yep,
So keep
yep,
going.
all
You're
the
doing
way, all the
good.
way till if it's too much, we'll. Yep, wait till, there you go.
That's
that happens,
okay.
give it a little shimmy shake right there and you're good to go. Yes, so if you're running a 5K, oatmeal is great for getting that energy, getting the carbs in so you can have energy in the morning, so
Yes.
protein pancakes as well. So, got our egg whites, we have our oats, so next we'll go ahead and put the stevia in here. So I'll have you go and open those. To kind of change the thickness of it, I like to also add some more protein powder. So same thing, just almost pure protein in it. It's going to help you your muscle growth. Your kind of helps you feel fuller longer as well. So we'll put some in here. Now this can vary. A lot of times, if you have a protein like this, it'll come with a scoop.
Okay.
I usually recommend about half of it. However, for this, it depends on what kind of texture you're wanting. So I'm going to start a little less than half. Go ahead and pour that in there for me.
Okay.
And we'll see how we got here. Okay, go ahead and mix it up. I think that we might add a little more protein right at the end, but before we do that, one of the best parts, one of my favorite parts, is adding ground cinnamon to it. It's about right there.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
go.
Those already smell amazing.
They do smell good, don't they? I'm excited to try these.
All the way under
You
there.
got this.
Look
There
at
you
that.
go. And turn that over.
Look at that.
Oh my
Beautiful.
gosh, and it
There
looks
you
like
go.
a pancake.
Yes.
Those look exactly like pancakes.
It
actually.
does.
So,
Okay.
yeah,
Are we
once-
ready to scoop that out?
Yeah, give it a
you
little
think?
feel. Nothing's too soft yet. Go and scoop it
All
out.
right.
And you're good
If
to go.
you'll scoop that up, I'll hold the plate.
Wait, I want the
There you go.
inside.
I was
There
just
we
saying, hold on now.
go.
Oh, that looks pretty
Is that good?
Yeah, on the
Oh,
underside.
look, and that does look so much better.
It does.
than
That
the first
looks
two.
like a normal pancake. If you told me
Okay.
that was a normal pancake, I would probably believe you.
Yes.
Probably. Just probably.
Okay,
Probably.
so let's clean up this
Okay.
mess,
Okay.
and then we'll come back and we'll try these with some fresh fruit and some syrup. How about?
That sounds
Yay.
great.
Okay. Okay, so we're back, ready to chop up some fruit and try these egg white pancakes. Okay, so Grant,
Yes.
I'm gonna let you peel that banana, and I'm gonna get a few strawberries out. Okay, I'll let you have this one if you just wanna make some bite-sized slices of that, and I'll cut us up some.
I've watched cooking shows, but let's see if I'm actually as good as the cooking shows.
Okay, I bet you will be.
I know that you're supposed to do it like this, but I don't actually know how to do it like this.
I'm gonna let you put those on the plate there.
Okay.
We got to get them
There
where
you go.
we can get it by them. There you go. Now put
There
some
we go.
strawberries on there. That looks really pretty.
And just
There
like
you
the
go.
spread,
Okay.
like that.
All right. And Kyle, do you want to
Yes.
finish this off? Tell
Got
us what we've got
Got
there.
a couple options. You can always use some type of peanut butter. There's PB2 you can make. You can mix into a peanut butter. It's just lower calorie. A lot of times we like type of Nutella is always good too.
Okay.
So once again, it's up to you and how much you want. I'm just going to drizzle some on here, just to give us some taste on here.
Oh, wow.
There you
That
go.
looks good.
Not quite as pretty as you would have done it, I'm sure. But then I like to do a 0-calorie syrup because a lot of times, just like in your drinks, your calories are in your drinks. And so this one says 0 calories, so that way you're not adding any extra calories onto this. So
Oh, that's awesome.
yes, so we'll just drizzle, same thing. Some of this on here, it is a little
Oh,
lighter,
my
but
gosh.
I
This
think
is
we're
looking so good,
Amazing.
guys.
Nutella and syrup, you can't
we
go
go.
wrong.
Okay, so it's the time.
It's
Is
time.
it time to taste it?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Are you going first, Grant?
There you go.
Sure.
Okay,
I'm gonna try the thickest one actually.
the thickest one?
Yeah.
The good
Okay.
one.
It is a little bit harder to actually get.
How is it? I'll
Oh
go.
my gosh, those are so good.
I'll go for
Is
the
it?
first one.
Mhm.
You gotta get some
Okay.
Nutella on there, though.
Yeah, you gotta get, oh, I need a little Nutella,
Yep.
and I need a strawberry.
Yeah. Anita.
I went boring. I just got the syrup.
I like it with the banana.
It's good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna try.
That
it.
is really good. Okay, so that was awesome, guys. Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining us, both of you. Thank you for
course.
joining us at home. We hope you will try this recipe. We've linked it in the comments. Have a great weekend, healthy eating, and we're gonna get back to some more of this.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us.